Hello guys, today we're going to be unboxing the WW1 German Stallhelm, and I hope you guys like history, because what am I saying is many historians like to collect historical artifacts, and yes, I think I'm kind of one. This is not a big hole in here, so you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna absolutely batter the hell out of. Really? Oh! Sorry, I like to rage quite a lot, guys. It's normal, me. You know me. So now what I'm going to do is just like we're gonna fit something. Oopsie pootsies. I'm naughty. Okay, I'm holding it. We got something. Oh, we got our Stallhelm. I don't know which one. I know it's the WW1 one, but oh, look at it. We got something here. We got the WW1 German. Wait, is this an? I'm not quite sure if this is an M16 or an M18. Or it's an M17. Could you please tell me in the comments? I know that these they were for releasing air and for attaching armour to the helmet, and then these are for heading air. Wait, are these supposed to be on air? Well, I guess we'll wait and see. Okay. It looks kind of good. Take these off. Get off. Get off, enemy. Get off. Good boy. Let's try it on, shall we? Look good. Okay, next clip now. Okay, the straps here, we could attach them for the helmet, and wait, to the air ventilation there. We look in there, I don't really, is it open? So the air can get through. Yeah, there's a hose for the air ventilation.